Welcome to Cooking World. Today we are going to learn how to make blue lemon soda. Contents: ice cubes, mint leaves, sugar, 1 lime, food color blue. Always use food graded color, avoid chemicals. First add ice cubes to mixer. Add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Next, sprinkle few mint leaves. Now, cut the lime into half, remove the seeds, squeeze the lime into mixer. Start grinding the ice cubes for 5 minutes. Once the ice cubes are in paste form, add 2 drops of food graded color blue. Next, use 1 glass of soda and grind for a minute. Subscribe to Cooking World channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification. Truly a refreshing drink, especially loved by kids, and adults too enjoy it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, click the like button, share it to your friends and subscribe to Cooking World channel.